Hey everybody, my name is Grant and I'm over here with Thunder Laser USA, and today we're going to be doing a fridge magnet using two different kinds of acrylic and gluing them together. So step one is getting your file. I found this on Google. Now if you're going to be making stuff to sell, you've got to make sure that you buy the file. I didn't buy this one because I'm just making it for fun. We've got the first layer, which is going to be black. This is black, and then I need to draw an outline that is going to be the orange backer. So what I'm going to do is highlight that and then hit offset shapes. Okay, so what I'm going to do is ungroup that and delete these extra pieces that I don't want. All right, so right now I'm just going to highlight this one, make sure I have the settings the way that I want them. I know that about 15 millimeters a second and 60% power will be more than enough. You can use the material library, but since I've done this enough, I kind of have an idea of what will work. And then I'm gonna cut select graphics, since I only wanted to cut out the black part, and send it to the machine. Let's go. Now the decision is do I want it to be glossy or do I want it to be matte? So I'm getting the laser head in the right position, autofocus, so that we're the correct distance away from the material. All right, I'm gonna hit the origin button and then frame. Perfect, let's cut it. The matte and black acrylic came from Thunder Laser. You can actually buy it on our website. And same with the Houston acrylic. It came straight from them, the orange piece, and you can also buy it on our website. The magnets we're gonna be using today, I got from Amazon. 3 minutes and 42 seconds. This is a 60 watt Nova Plus. You hear all the little pieces dropping to the bottom. Might need something to push out the little pieces. The paper clip is the best for this. So now that we've cut that, we're gonna move on to the next layer, which is the backer, that's orange acrylic. Yeah, I've seen people roll some tape on their hand and just, if you were doing a sheet of these and it was all across the bed, I would use that, or you could also cut on the knife blade bed so that all those pieces just drop straight through. But yeah, since I'm only doing one, I'll just pick it up by hand. All right, back to the computer. One thing I didn't mention earlier is scoring this outside. This is really user preference. The reason why you would score it is so that you could easily align the piece that you just cut into the backer. For instance, say you had Thunder Laser USA, the logo that we just cut out. You would need to figure out a way to align that perfectly on the backer. And scoring is a great way to do that, or creating a jig out of like cardboard or wood. For this use case, I don't think we really need to do that. One thing I am gonna do though is delete this, since we don't need it. I'm changing the speed to 15 millimeters a second, the power to 60%, and we're gonna send it over. Both of these sheets of acrylic are 1/8 inch, not anything super thick. Honestly, I could probably cut it faster than I am. I'm not in a rush, so I'm gonna take it slow. 15 millimeters a second is generally where I start if I'm cutting material, and then I'll adjust the power accordingly. Some people wanna go as fast as they can, and if you're in a production shop, I totally get it, but I found the best results running at around 15 millimeters a second. And of course, if you're cutting thicker and thicker, you'll have to go slower and slower. This is the magnet that I'm gonna use. Now is the fun part, we get to glue it. So let me go get some of the acrylic glue. Get some glue dropped on here, boom. Try not to put too much, which I think I just did. So now we test my alignment skills. So say I scored this, I'd be able to easily align where this needs to sit. 30 seconds. Now I got whatever this is on my hands. Mineral oil. All right. That's all the patience that I have. And it's good enough. Again, to perfectly align it, do that score. All right, now I can place these magnets exactly where I want them to go. That was a lot of glue. Too much. I think 2 magnets will be plenty for this. Check that out. A little bit too much glue. All right. ignore the fact that I broke it. But happy Halloween. I hope this helped in some way. I'm going to keep doing these vlogs, walking through projects, and I'll make them a little bit more advanced as we go along. So thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.